So I just finished recording a couple of videos for my Patreon where I talk about grounding the room as a way of not only clearing space, creating space, making space for yourself, changing the space you're in, and sending that energy out ahead of you as a way to clear maybe a space you're going to be in. Maybe you're running errands, and I refer to it as sending a runner out ahead of you. You can start to ground places that you're going to be in. You can ground your car. You can ground lost objects as a way of making it easier to find them. So why would you want to do all of this? It maybe even sounds a little bit woo-woo to be thinking about doing that. I have found that a very simple grounding cord, it doesn't even have to be, I think we get caught up in making it like we need to be able to feel it in our body or it's not happening at all. A simple line connecting us to the floor under our feet and then to the center of the earth. It can happen instantaneously. These grounding cords can be changed out throughout the day. In clairvoyant class, they're always telling us to blow up our grounding cord and create a new one. And the same thing can happen when you're grounding objects and even grounding other people. Their grounding cord, it's not like you're giving them a grounding cord that will stay with them forever. It can release the charge on a situation or an angry person. It could become a life skill, a survival skill. And that comes to my mind as I watch just increasing chaos going on in places that you might be in public, and we go into real unconscious space, which is flipping through our phone. Everything is a distraction, and grounding as a habit can help you become aware of your surroundings, things that are happening on a very subtle level, putting a grounding cord on everything that's going on around you. I keep thinking about, there's a section in the New Earth where Eckhart Tolle talks about the pain bodies, and the pain bodies of people, they get bigger and bigger, and they get aggravated by everyone else's pain body. It's like our pain body needs to get fed, and things that feed the pain body are things that just make everyone more and more amped up and more upset. And that is going on globally. This is happening in a big way. And so what if we just start putting grounding cords on everything and everyone in all of these situations? Notice the shift. There's an actual charge that leaves a situation. If you're really amped up about something in your mind, if you can encapsulate it, put it out in front of you in a form where you can look at it and gain some perspective on it, and put a grounding cord on that, It is profound. So I've got, if you visit my Patreon, the very basic meditation on how to create a grounding cord is on there. It's free to access that. And then I've got a couple videos in the paid section about grounding your room and grounding objects. And I will be adding to all of these videos, and stay tuned. There's more to come.